Hey friends, if you wish to fix a Windows installation encountered an unexpected error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to verify the installation source. And how will you verify the installation source? See, here's my suggestion. Whenever you install an application, try your best to install it through the Microsoft Store. For example, if you wish to install Firefox, then it is present on the Microsoft Store and try your best to install it from there. It will go through easily because these applications are tested for Windows computers. But let's say that you're trying to install Chrome, which is a very popular browser. It does not exist on the Microsoft Store. So in this case, make sure that you are installing it from the official website only and nowhere else. Okay, and then go to download Chrome and install it from the official website only. Now the next one is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a checkdisk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again. And the last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.